Hi, this is Preston with Cone Creatives. Today, I want to talk to you about a common question that we've received, which is, I have an older demographic that I want to target. Where and how do I reach those people? Now, the thing that most people don't understand, even still today, is that the demographics on Facebook have drastically changed over the years. Prior to this, probably 10 years ago or so, maybe even just 5, there was a younger, significantly younger demographic on Facebook. You're talking about the majority of them being under 40, 45. Fast forward to today, there is a huge portion, I want to say it's probably about half of them are 45 and older. So if you're trying to reach an audience that is older, Facebook is the platform. Vice versa is Instagram. If you're going to go with Instagram, you're thinking about a much younger audience typically. So if you're trying to reach folks that are on Facebook, here's some information that we've received from the own campaigns that we run. 69% of our conversions from Facebook come actually from the age of 65 and up. 20% of our conversions on Facebook come from people 55 to 64. And there are a total of 62% of online seniors that are age 65 and up, and 72% are between age 50 and 64. So if you are looking for people on Facebook who are in those age ranges, you will not have a problem at all. If you are trying to receive conversions like we have, you're going to be able to do that very well as well. So a lot of options for you. Facebook is the best plan. I hope this is helpful. Talk more soon.